What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Honda Pilot 91. I just got my crash bars delivered, and I'm pretty excited. I haven't opened it yet, so I figured I'd unbox them on cam. I ordered them about SW Motech. Motech, I used to that shit. But I ordered these about a month ago. Ordered a lot of things about a month ago, and things are just not being processed and whatnot. But it's here now. So let's see what she's about. Hold on. Trusty dusty knife, titanium. Each one of those. Package pretty good. It feels heavy. It feels like the box is pretty heavy. Voila. I guess we need that shit again. Sorry, I don't got like a camera person or whatnot. Hold up, man. Alright, I finally got them out. But they're actually really sleek looking and nice, sexy. Definitely wouldn't stun in these. They feel pretty strong though. They feel really solid. But if you plan on getting these to drop the bike constantly, I probably wouldn't do that. And I'm gonna rock them for a while and see how I like them. I'm putting them on Friday, or getting them put on Friday, and maybe I'll drop it. Maybe I'll drop the bike to see how good they do. Do a test run first, and then we'll drop it. See how they hold up. But alright, it's time to probably silent out. Y'all be safe.